Hey Bellydance lovers, what's up? Let me explain the way we do Hagala step today. Have a look at the step first. So, to do the Hagala step, we need to unite 4 movements: twist, step, push, and lift in this sequence. For example, you go with your right leg, twist hip, then step front on your right, push up your hip, almost stretching a knee, and then lift your left hip up, doing a hip pull. Then from the very beginning, you keep on doing the same, just with a different leg. Twist, step on left, push a hip, and lift the right hip. Mind your posture as usual. Keep your back stretched, coccyx down, belly inside, knees a little bent to keep level of your head. Hagala step can be used also without moving front or back. Staying on one place, you put the weight of your body on one leg and push hip to the side, then lift the other hip up with help of hip pull and drop it down. After, repeat again and again, changing a leg. Hagala step usually used with maksum rhythm. Doom tek, tek doom tek, doom tek, tek doom tek. Malfuf rhythm. Doom tek tek doom tek tek doom tek tek, and Hagala rhythm, which is the same like Malfuf, but on 4th rhythm you change it a bit. Just listen to it. Doom tek tek doom tek tek doom tek tek doom doom tek. Wish you a great luck and enjoy Hagala with me.